Hi, you guys, and welcome. I wanted to show you guys a couple little painting tips here. Since I've got this is a Worcester brush. It's very stiff, okay? And I'm just gonna talk about brushes, how like a lot of guys will say, a stiffer brush is better than a one that isn't. But, there's kind of a balance in there. This is a very stiff brush. This is actually, in my opinion, a little bit too stiff. And one of the problems you run into, the benefits of a stiff brush are that you have more control, all right? This is all getting painted white later, so I don't care if I get a little wrapped on there. But if there's, when you have a really stiff brush, you get more control, okay? The benefits are that. But the problem is you also lose coverage. So if your brush is too stiff, it'll actually remove the paint more than it does put it on. So this is kind of one of those brushes that's kind of like a newbie type thing, or it's not really a newbie. A newbie just is going to make a mess, right, with whatever they're using. But somebody who's like intermediate brushing is going to like a really stiff brush like this, but somebody who's been doing it a really long time is going to find it a little bit irritating because they're going to go, the coverage isn't quite as good. And then you might be cutting in something twice when you could have got it covered in one, and, that sort of thing. So the benefits are control. The stiffer the brush, the better the control. It's just like when you push harder on your brush. When you push harder, you have more control, right? And if you go lighter, where you're trying to just go on the tips, it's less control, okay? And this brush, to make this brush work, you have to actually push on the brush really hard, okay, to get it to even release the paint. So you kind of, you got that nice control, but at the same time, you lose something, which is coverage. So I like a brush myself that's kind of not that stiff. I've gotten really good with it. I don't really need a stiff brush anymore for control because I've got, 40 years of painting. So and I'm using here an angle tip. I don't normally use an angle tip. I'm working on somebody else's equipment. I would normally do this with a straight cut brush. And you notice I'm flipping it over a lot. And you notice when I pull my brush, I don't pull it this way, upside down, because that just removes way more paint. Okay, and especially with a stiff brush already. Like if my brush isn't stiff enough, I can flip it over and do that. But anyway, like I said, I'm not trying to get this perfect right now. I'm just getting paint on here. Got to do 2 coats on this wall, and that's going to have to get wrapped and painted. It's not done yet. But yeah, the benefits are, there's some guys that'll say, oh yeah, you need a nice, good, stiff brush. That's somebody who's really doesn't have as much experience as someone who can go and a really good painter can use anything. They don't care. I don't really care. I'm just saying that, if I was going for production right now, I would want a brush that was a little bit softer because I could release more paint to the wall, maybe get better coverage, maybe do something in 1 coat instead of 2. Those are all things that you think about when you're brushing. And again, I'm holding the camera and doing this at the same time. This is not a GoPro. It's quite a bit more difficult to do. So, making more mistakes than I usually make because I'm filming this. So, as you can see how much I have to really push those bristles over. When if it's a softer brush, I've seen guys go, yeah, you need a really stiff brush. And I'm going, oh, yeah, I mean, you could say that, but somebody who's very, very experienced will go, no, I like a little bit less stiff brush because it'll release the paint better to the wall. So that's somebody who's been doing it a long time is going to say that. Not somebody who's been painting for 4 or 5 years. I'm talking about guys who are like 20, 30-year veterans who actually learned something. Which there's a lot of guys who paint who don't learn anything and do it the same way all the time. Okay, well, this is just the first coat, and again, I don't want to get wrapped too much on there. Okay, that's our accent color. Can you even see it? When it's wet, they look the same, right? Let's back up. So that's an accent color over there. That's the wall color, first coat. That's the old color of the walls. This is the accent color. You can see it. It's hard to see when you're actually doing the work, but anyway, that's a little bit about brushing. If you're newer, try a stiffer brush. If you're brand new, I don't know if that's really going to help you that much to have a stiff brush. Maybe. If you're kind of intermediate, you're going to like a stiff brush. You're going to notice the difference. If you've been doing it a long time, you've been painting for 30 years, try and get something a little bit not too stiff, a little bit softer. I like that Picasso brush. It's kind of a little bit of both. And you'll release, like when you're doing your doors and jambs, I like that for that because I'm going to release the paint nice and even on the wall or on the door. And then I won't have to do it twice. Those are all things you're thinking about when you're doing this stuff. So anyway, all right, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see your comments.